second graders. Today we're doing lesson 19, Publish. So we're going to work on publishing our stories and rewriting them neatly. You'll need your writing notebook that has the draft of your story. And then if you look in your writing folder, I want you to find one of these. So on the cover, you're going to put the title and author. So my title will be Genevieve. And the author is Miss Colhoun. Then this is where I would do an illustration. So I might draw something like a picture of my cat Genevieve. You can choose what to do for your cover illustration. Now I'm going to start rewriting my story. Make it really neat. And I'm going to work really slowly and carefully. So the first thing I wrote is, I can't wait to get a kitten, I thought. And so we always start a new paragraph with indenting. So I'm starting this new story, so I'm going to write this neatly. I can't wait to get a kitten I thought. And then I'm just copying directly from my draft. As I entered the Berkeley Humane Society. I'm going to do my best neat writing and really make sure I'm copying everything down from my draft. And then I notice that here there's a paragraph symbol. So that means I need to go to a new line and indent every time I see that. A woman I'm copying directly from my draft. Led me into a room. And then if I look at my draft, I have this arrow here. Rows of silver cages stood from floor to ceiling. The sound of kittens crying filled the air. So I'm going to write that down. Rows of silver cages stood from floor to ceiling. I'm copying this next part now. The sound of kittens crying filled the air. The sound of kittens crying filled the air. Then I'm noticing this. I saw rows of eyes peering out at me through the bars of the cages. I saw rows of eyes peering out at me through the bars of the cages. I'm just going to check to make sure I didn't miss anything. When I look over here, I notice that, oh no, I missed writing Mew Mew, which I'm supposed to write after this part. So after the word air, I forgot to write Mew Mew. So I can just do this if I make a mistake. Mew. Mew. Okay, bars of the cages. So now I'm seeing, okay, I ended right here. So here I am, new paragraph, suddenly. So I'm going to new line and indent, since there's a paragraph, new paragraph, and I'm going to write suddenly. Suddenly, a pair of kittens caught my eye. A pair of kittens caught my eye. Okay, second graders. Today I want you to work on rewriting your story neatly. Make sure that anything you put in with arrows you include in your story, and make sure that every time you did the paragraph symbol, you go to a new line and you indent